Bitter.
I'm leaving that in too.
Huh?
I'm leaving that little scene part in.
I'm just kidding.
Do it again, do it again. Sing.
Bitter. Guys, you have to beat the eggs. At least add 1 tablespoon of water. Right there. After that, beat. Beat it. Okay, so beat like that. And then into that, toast this. Beat it. No one can beat it. I'll be back. I'll be right back. Watch my ads, please. Do not skip. Don't skip my ads, guys.
That's your friends you like on 8 Miles?
This is, yeah, we like to watch 8 Miles Away from Home because they're nice people. So this, guys, you just toss the zucchini fries into the egg mix with water and try to mix or coat everything until look like this, whatever. And now sit aside. Okay, guys, this one is breadcrumbs. You can also add, this is a panko bread. You can make it half breadcrumbs, or just, if you don't have breadcrumbs, just use panko, whatever you have at home. As we just use whatever at home because, you know, it's pandemic time. We don't need to go back and forth to the store. So this is just the panko bread. Adding to we add onion powder, 1 tablespoon. Garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. And Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese. This one is the Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons. Okay. So mix. While doing this, you can preheat your air fryer because this one is goes to the air fryer. So preheat your air fryer for 400 degrees. So after this, I'm going to coat this into the zucchini fries. I'll be right back. Spray a little bit so it won't stick your fries, zucchini fries. Too much to do in this fries. So just do this process, guys, until air fryer is full. Do not stack them together. Just be patient. Good morning.